Location, location, location. Beautiful custom-built 4,600 square feet. Single-level home in coveted Santiago Estates, in South Temecula. This impressive, gated estate sits on 2.26 acres of usable land. 4-bedroom, 5 bathrooms, media room, office, gym, and game room. Interior features include chef's kitchen, with an island, pantry, granite counters. Great room opens to the covered patio and pool area with spa. Great home for entertaining. Private orchard, huge flat track area is perfect for kids, pets, all your toys and adults who just want to have fun. 3-car attached garage, 2 RV, boat pads. Room for 10+.